Hey everybody, Katsy here with a DIY video. So I wanted to show you all quickly. It's a very easy process to make a shield. Foam window seal. Vinyl. And I've cut this vinyl 11 inches around by 9. And then I cut a piece of the foam window seal 11 inches. And okay, so now it is on, and I peel away the part that goes next to the forehead, and it's halfway there. The next step is I cut a piece of elastic approximately 15 inches for me. I take a pair of scissors and I just cut in half, just cut it in half right in here. I do that to both sides. I take my hot glue gun. Another piece of equipment or tool you're going to need is a, what do you call this thing? Yeah, one of these things. I'm going to take the elastic and I'm going to get ready to place it in between. But before I do that, I'm going to take and I'm going to put a bead of glue right in between on both sides. Bead of glue. I can show this to you real good here. Run that bead of glue. Grab the elastic, put it down on the glue, another bead of glue, mush it together and hold it till it's cool. Fold it in half. Corner here, close to the corner, you want to make a little, just a little circle. You just want to round it off. It is done, except for one more thing that you can do to make sure these are sturdy and stay in. And that is the trusty old, it's still avoiding me. I am not going to stop this video to figure out what this darn thing is called. Okay, so it's called a stapler. A stapler. I was like, I'm gonna pachonka it when the stapler came up. So I pachonkaed it once and I pachonkaed it twice. And then I want to pachonka it one more time because I'm using a thinner elastic. I usually use a thicker elastic. And I'm gonna pachonka it right in that elastic area. Okay? Gonna staple, and I'm going to staple one more time. And that is your very quick face shield. And I'll try it on. It comes around. I mean, it's going to block anything coming at me. Oh, and you can also put like an extra piece of foam on there if you want, maybe your glasses stick out, or your cheeks, or your nose, and you want a little extra room. So you can put another piece of the foam right on here, and it will go. It'll stick adhesive wise, and it'll be ready to go. So there you have it, guys. Protect yourself. Make yourselves one of these easy DIY face shields. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel.